The price gap between basic DDR4 memory modules that even lack heat spreaders, and premium modules with RGB LED-studded heat spreaders, can be rather big. For those who'd prefer to pick up cheaper memory modules and light them up on the cheap, Jonsbo has come up with its second-generation RGB LED custom memory heat spreaders, with the NC2, a successor to the NC1 series from last year. A pack includes 2 units, for dual-channel memory setups. Each heat spreader consists of 2 brushed aluminium plates meeting on top, through which a chunky RGB LED diffuser peeks out. The NC2 features 2 56-color RGB LEDs, and comes in 2 variants based on control. The first variant is a color variant, or the dumb variant, which gives you limited manual control over preloaded lighting presets. The second, slightly pricier variant, is the smart variant, which takes input from ASUS Aura Sync RGB, over a standardized 4-pin header, giving you software control. Measuring 141mm x 8.5mm x 43mm, WxDxH, each heat spreader weighs roughly 114 grams. The NC2 series starts around 80 RMB, $13 USD, for the basic variant, and around 120 RMB, $20 USD, for the Aura Sync capable variant, which is a bargain, when you consider that RGB-enabled memory kits can be 20 to 30% pricier than basic ones that lack RGB lighting.